The war against counterfeit drugs in the country will receive a major boost with the introduction of a new system that will enable Kenyans use their mobile phones to identify whether drugs are safe for human consumption. The system, which will enable consumers send a text message to a certain code to know the details of the product, will be rolled out before the end of this year if everything goes on as planned.
We are going further to instruct the board to ensure that every pharmacy does display information which can ensure that every user or Kenyan who buys a product using their mobile phone, they can be able to authenticate whether that product is registered.
Health Cabinet Secretary Dr. Cleopa Milo said once in place, the new technology will allow Kenyans to easily authenticate products in the market. Speaking at the board's offices during a familiarization tour, Dr. Milo said it is unfortunate that many Kenyans have been consuming expired and unregistered drug products unknowingly, and has consequently tasked the board to ensure all drugs available in hospitals and pharmacies across the country are valid and meet the required standards.
It is doing a good job. Is highly computerized, but I want to emphasize that they have to continue working hard to ensure safety of drugs, because there are many entry points for products through the airports, through the ports, through any other route. But what we want the Pharmacy and Poisons Board to do is to ensure that any product which is being used in this country is safe for human consumption. And
Milo also said that the issue of doping in the country was one his ministry was working to ensure it is dealt with, saying the country cannot tolerate the wastage of its sportsmen and women through the use of illegal performance-enhancing drugs.
As a country, we rely on athletics, and we can't afford to have that particular industry go down. Yes, it is in sports and all that, but if there's a possibility some professionals might be involved in any way, then we shall deal with them firmly as a ministry.
Milo is also rooting for an increase in the manufacturing of drug products locally, saying minimizing importation of drugs will make them accessible and affordable to Kenyans. Currently, Kenya imports nearly 70% of its drug products and only manufactures about 30%. Caroline Kamau reporting for Channel 1 Weekend.